Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here, and I am literally in my garage, as you can see from all the flags and stuff, and all the other stuff in here. Um, and well, I got some paint. I took this opportunity because we had a warm day in Ohio, which it's almost 55, 56 degrees right now, and I took this opportunity I had to paint up the 1930 Packard Roadster. So I did the engine in park green, and these are the colors I used right here. Got mica silver, park green, maroon, gloss black, semi-gloss black, and a dark blue for the fenders. Figure, go something different. So like I was saying, I got the engine painted, got the interior done in a semi-gloss black. Um, Wheels are done in a mica silver. Kind of cool looking. Got front suspension done in semi-gloss black. Rear suspension done in semi-gloss black. The boot is done in semi-gloss black, so that's going to look pretty cool. The fenders are done in a gloss dark blue color over semi-gloss black. I thought that was kind of, unique. I think everybody does a lot of them with black fenders, but, why not change it up? I did a maroon. This is a maroon red on the hood. And to follow up the maroon red fenders, hood, got a maroon body right here. And I'm probably going to go inside there and once this is completely dry and do the door panels inside there. Then all I got to do on this one is install the dash and the chrome work. And yeah, so that's what I got for the 1930 Packard Roadster. And I'll be putting this video up, of course, the last day of the month, the 28th, which is, it's for the small scale group build. But I got caught up on my square body projects that, it's getting built. It may not be complete by um, the end date, but it's getting done. So that's the main part. And I just want to thank you for watching my videos, and y'all have a good day. All right. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for all the nice comments on the custom square body pickup truck I just did. I'm going to try doing a custom square body Blazer next. So y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching, guys. All right.